The world never stops. All food, every factory, each promise depends on movement. Behind that movement are the people who make sure nothing breaks. They connect ports, skies, warehouses, roads, and rail networks. They stay ahead of every change and in command of every move. Neurored gives them one mission control system to see, manage, and optimize it all. Because the world moves when logistics leaders can move with confidence. Neurored, for the people who move the world.